sunrise breaking, engine waking. Today we ride. Golden sky and an open road. No heavy thoughts, just a lighter load. Left my worries miles behind. Peace is something you don't just find. Every mile feels brand new. Chasing dreams in every view. No traffic in my state of mind. Just me, my bike and time. No stress, no chains on me. This is how life's meant to be. Freedom on two wheels, feel it in your soul. Every twist and turn makes a broken spirit whole. Ride through the pain, let the past disappear. The road is your answer, loud and clear. Hands on the throttle, eyes on the sky. No limits ahead, just learn to fly. Every heartbeat syncs with the ride. This is where you truly come alive. Morning breeze like a healing touch. In this moment I don't need much. No gold, no fame, no fancy things. Just the road and what it brings. From city lights to mountain views. Different paths but the same truth. Life ain't perfect, never will be. But out here I feel free. Let go of fear, let go of doubt. That's what riding's all about. Freedom on two wheels, feel it in your soul. Every twist and turn makes a broken spirit whole. engines roar, heart beats fast, no looking back. We ride, we last. Woke up early, sunrise calling my name. Dust on my boots, but I'm chasing the flame. Road's never straight, but I don't complain. Every scar I carry, it fuels my lane. Wind in my face, I'm breaking the